Over the past few days, I've been able to introduce to you guys different exchanges you can actually use to trade cryptocurrency, also do your P2P trades. All right. Now, in this particular video, I'll share with you guys a very interesting exchange that you can actually use to start from $0 to at least $100. All right. Now, if you also have $100 capital, you can make a whole lot of money from here. Also, my day-to-day trading are automatically going to be transferred to this particular exchange right now, and every single thing I'll be doing automatically comes out from this particular exchange. Every single process of making money that I'm going to share with you guys today right now, I can guarantee you, if you take it serious, you can start with $0 and you can make up to $100 in less than no time. So watch this video as I get to introduce to you guys one of the best exchange out there which you can actually use, which is also known as KuCoin. All right, so get your link right from the description of this video, create your own account, do your own verification, and let's start making money. Now I'm going to jump right straight into my mobile phone right now. I'm going to share with you guys how to basically go ahead and register an account, every single process you basically need, and also explain the part one of making money without any single capital on this particular exchange. So I'll also be making constant videos about this exchange. All you have to do is just to stick around, watch this video, and get a full knowledge of every single thing right now. Alright guys, so on this particular video, I'm going to do a quick explanation on how to basically buy and sell, do some simple opportunities with your KuCoin application without any single stress. So as of recent, I dropped a very interesting signal on the chat, which is provided right over here. And every single time you want to actually enter a signal, you're going to be getting informations which are going to be provided for you. So this particular signal is for us to buy. That's, we're expecting an uptrend from this particular signal, and also the take profit and then the stop loss, the percentage, and also the leverage. So if you come to your KuCoin account, for instance, you have to first of all create an account. If you do not have an account on KuCoin, please go ahead, check the description of this video. You're going to be seeing the first link right there. Click on that link, have your account created, and once you have your account created on KuCoin, I drop signals for you guys 100% every single day without asking for anything. Now if you want to actually see all my signals and every single win, you can see right over here. Every single time I have wins, I drop those signals. All right, so you're basically going to be able to like follow me to trade and also make money for yourself. If you want to participate on my trading journey or every single thing I actually do on the trading section, you can automatically subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Go over and follow us on Telegram, and over here right here I get to drop signals for you guys day to day. All right, so you can get all these 100% free without any single investment. Now what you can easily do to trade on this particular option is to create your account, have your account verified, and then you can come over to where they say futures. Now if you click on the futures trading section, you're going to be seeing options to do some simple settings. If you want to buy long, you can click on it to be on the long. If you want to sell short, you can click on it and then it will automatically turn to the sell short. So from this particular signal, we are expected to buy long. Now for you to do that, you have to make sure it's on the long session, and this particular signal also says that we should enter the market at current market price. So if you check on your own account, you're going to automatically see right over here that our entry, this is our market order, and our entry should be on market order. So once you're able to select market order, and if you do not know how to select market order, you're going to be seeing market order on this space right here. You have a limit. That's where you basically get to input the limit you want to trade for, and you have the market option, which means and at instant you want to enter into that particular trade. Then aside this, if you want to actually like trade, you have to input the value or the amount you want to basically use to trade. You can either click on this button to select the quantity or the amount of fat coin you easily want to use to trade, or you can actually drag this button right over here to trade. So if you put it right here, that means you're using 50% of your capitals to trade, and it depends on where you drag it to. All right, now if you want to send in funds to the trading menu, they have an option which is provided right here. By clicking on it, you have options to send money from the funding account to the futures account, and you can easily use that to trade. So this is the process. Input the current market price, and at the top right over here, you're going to see where they say TP and LS. So let me skip this for instance. All right, now if you come to the TP and LS, you can come over to the take profit and input the amount which is provided. So this is about 1.2184. So if you come over to your take profit, you say 1.2184. all right, so let's confirm that. All right, so 2184. Now, once you're able to input that, you can come to the stop loss section and also type in 1.0117. All right. So you come over here, you say 1.0117. Now, once you're able to type all this correctly, then you can automatically hit on the confirm to buy, and automatically this will be confirmed. All right. So every single time you want to trade on your KuCoin account, every single trade you're taking right from here, you can continue monitoring it and also get any informations about the trade. Aside you trading, all right, you have to learn how to use the leverage option. Now for KuCoin, you have a maximum leverage on the Fatcoin token for about 50x, which means you can use like 50x to trade, but I highly recommend you use 10x to around 20 to 25. All right, that is very easy to control. So once you have your futures trading set up, you can automatically enter the trade and make profit from it. But aside this, there are other things you can do on the KuCoin application which can help you to earn money, which is basically either through P2P or through the referral programs. All right. For instance, if I want to deposit into my account, I'll click on the deposit menu. I can select to send in TRS, USDT, or Sweatcoins, or any of these. Now, if you click on the USDT menu and you come over here, you're going to be seeing different network under the USDT menu, such as Ethereum 20, BEP20, TRC20, Ton, Solana. You can see Kava, you can see Arbitrum, you can see Optimus. So every single options which are still provided right here offers you good opportunity to make money from every single trade you're taking right on this particular exchange. Now, this particular exchange offer you good opportunity to make money from here, and I'm still going to be breaking it down. All right, this is not every single thing. I cannot explain every single thing in this video, but I'm going to break it down for you. Like I told you guys, you can start your P2P trade right now with $0 on the KuCoin exchange and bag a whole lot of money. Why on the affiliate menu, you can automatically get to like share out your invite link to your friends, which you can automatically earn from the affiliate link as long as your friend has some capital in KuCoin and they are making some trades. So that is something that you need to know. Now, if by any chance you have options to like do trading, or you want to actually use their trading bot to trade, they have options to do the trading bot as well, which you can easily use. So let's go to the asset section right over here. So over to the asset section, you can monitor all your capitals, every single thing from the funding, trading, margin, futures. You can see bots, you can also see finance and copy trading. Every single thing is right here. I've actually been able to use this particular exchange for quite some time, and so far I've been able to use other exchange, but I would love to basically introduce this to you guys. If you're watching this video, for instance, you want to win my giveaways, make sure to create an account on this particular exchange and become part of it. All right. So the process of you raising an account is very simple, and all you have to do is to make sure you have your verifications done. And once your verification is done completely, you're going to be able to like start generating money from here. So the trading options that I currently have, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a day-to-day trade on the Telegram channel and also a day-to-day trade on my YouTube shorts. So stick around as I share with you guys other things that you basically would love to know about KuCoin, and also the benefit of you making use of KuCoin. Every single thing will be explained. There are a whole lot of opportunities for you to make money from here without even a single dollar, and also with up to $100. So you can utilize this, make money for yourself, and also become profitable with KuCoin. All right. If you have any problem, make sure to communicate with their customer service. They respond as fast as possible. See you as I share with you guys the next video, and I hope you enjoy this particular video. Peace out.